Hi all you lucky people. Today we're going to be showing you how to strip down and reupholster the chair that's behind me and the mistakes that were made by the original upholsterer and how we've corrected them. Please don't forget to subscribe and keep watching. See you later. Okay, this is one of the most important parts, placement. You've got to get your placement right, because if you start stapling and it's not right, you can never fix it. Make sure you're tight, your lines are correct, you're working into what you should be doing. You've got enough overlap to do the areas you want to go to. Make sure, obviously, that these thread lines correspond with the thread lines, everything's straight, nothing's at an angle, everything's where you want to be. This is the time when you've only got 6 or 7 staples holding it in place, and if a line doesn't look straight now, it will never look straight. So this is when you get it right. Take your time, there's no rush. Yeah, it stays. Ready to go. Okay, here's the seat rewebbed, and this is the original type of pad that we're going on top. And as you can see, it's just shy everywhere. It's small. It's no good. What they've done is put another layer on top and just made a bad effort. So what we're going to do is just do a new one. Here we go, right up to the edges, right into the corners. Actually goes underneath the edges and the arms. So it's going to create a lip there, so when we put a soft foam on the top, it'll give it a nice dome, solid. Prefer using a chip foam for this level, because we've got elasticated underneath, which gives us the softness, but we've also got support. You need to combine the two. One of the biggest mistakes most people make is when they tack off onto the exterior. If you do that, when you put the outside down, the outside arm, you'll see a lump. It won't be the smooth, straight lines that you're looking for. So even though you've used staples, you've got a lot of thickness that a staple won't go through, just put some 16mm tacks in, fold back and stay behind this line all the way around. This is the result of all that extra effort. Look at the outside arm, you see how there's no lump, you see how it's perfectly straight as it follows the frame shape. Because we went to that extra effort of making sure that everything that was stapled off was within the frame, there's no bulk. Look at that. You see how it controls, see how it looks? Show you the other side. Exactly the same. You see this? There's no lump, there's no false lump here. At the top as well. You see how it falls straight? Under the arm, nothing there, no false lump, no gathering, no... it's the difference. This is how... Let's get it finished off and get some piping on it and away we go. Finished chair. Double piped. All finished correctly. I might give it a bit of wax maybe just to finish it off before I deliver it. There we go, done and dusted.